Okay, hello everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Today we are continuing with our St. Patrick's Day, okay? Today we are going to review our vocabulary and sing a little song and see our little leprechaun. What is he doing? Okay, what he's doing. Okay, let's start. Let's start doing our vocabulary. Okay. Let's see. See? The Great Wall of China. See how they celebrate in China. This is Disneyland. Disneyland. This is Egypt. Okay, this is Egypt. See, it's all green. Ooh, wow. See? In Oslo. Chicago. The Chicago River, green. All the river green. In Dubai. In Spain. In Pisa, here in Italy. The London Eye, Cape Town, Sydney, Las Vegas, see? Brazil, in Jordan, Niagara Falls, see? See the waterfalls are all green? Empire State Building, Paris, see, these are Irish dancers, and this is how the whole world celebrates St. Patrick's, okay? Okay, so St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick's Day is on March 17. It comes from Ireland. Ireland, very good. See, because we celebrated everywhere as we saw, because Irish people went from Ireland to the United States. From the United States, it spread all over the world. See, this was the Chicago River, painted green, and in New York, the first parade. Okay. This is St. Patrick. St. Patrick, okay. St. Patrick the Saint. See? He's got shamrocks. He's got shamrocks. Okay? Now, he's a patron saint of Ireland. This is a rainbow. Yes, rainbow. Shamrock. The coins, the gold coins. This one is a leprechaun. Leprechaun in his pot of gold. In his pot of gold. So the legend says that at the end of the rainbow, you can find a pot of gold. And a leprechaun too. Okay? And a leprechaun too. And shamrocks are the symbol of St. Patrick's Day, okay? And of course, another symbol is green. Everything is green, yes. We have to wear green too. Tomorrow, everyone in green, okay? Okay, so let's repeat again. St. Patrick. St. Patrick. See? St. Patrick. For St. Patrick's Day. Okay. Green. Green. See? Green. This is Ireland. Ireland. Okay? Ireland. This is a leprechaun. Leprechaun. Okay? And this is a shamrock. Shamrock. See? 1, 2, 3. 3 leaves. Okay, so a shamrock. Now we have, what is this? A hat, see? A green hat. A green hat. Very good. A green hat. See? Hat. Hat. Now we have a rainbow. Rainbow. Very good. Okay, guys, now we are going to learn a song about the color of St. Patrick's Day. What color is St. Patrick's Day? It's green. Yes, green. So we're going to learn a green song. Okay, let's start.
In this song, we're going to learn how to spell the color green.
There is a color I can say that represents St. Patrick's Day.
G-R-E-E-N, 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 and
Green is that color. Now, one time. One.
there is a color
I can say that represents St. Patrick's Day.
R-E-E-N, R-E-E-N, R-E-E-N,
And green is that color. Green, see? Green. 2 times.
There
is a color I can say that represents St. Patrick's Day.
E-E-N, E-E-N,
E-E-N, and green is that color. Green. 3 times now. There is a color I can say that represents St. Patrick's Day.
E-N, E-N, E-N,
And green is that color. Very good. There is a color I can say that represents St. Patrick's Day.
N, N,
And green is that color. Good job. 5. No talking.
there
It's a color I can say that represents St. Patrick's Day. And green is that color. See? Green. And green. G-R-E-E-N. G-R-E-E-N. Very good. Good job. Now, let's watch the video on... This is the video of our little leprechaun, okay? And the rainbow. See? The rainbow. Have you ever seen a leprechaun? See? Little green hat, brown shoes. Ever seen a leprechaun? There you go. Can you catch one? Can you catch him? Very hard. See? End of the rainbow. End of the rainbow. Here's the pot of gold and the leprechaun.